Hi guys, it's Johnny, and today I'm here with Jaden, Jordan, Alex Dorame. And today we're gonna be playing the Goosebumps board game. As you see, well, no.
I'm excited.
As you see though, this is the Goosebumps board game, and it's kind of sexy looking.
I'm sexy and I know it.
And so we're really excited to play it. I don't know how we play it, but it looks really cool. So let's give it a shot. Let's do it.
I call being slappy.
No, I want to be slapped.
I want to be slappy.
I wanted to be slapped.
I wanted to be the.
I'm slappy.
Oh, okay, Jordan, you gotta be the puppy. Jordan, read the instructions.
Okay, you're a Goosebumps monster who has escaped from your manuscript to roam the streets of Madison. The only threat to you or continued monster mayhem is the magical typewriter of R.L. Stein. So it's a race across town to make sure you capture the typewriter and can never again be trapped between
how do
the
you
pages
play?
of the book. I don't know, I was just reading what was there.
All right, so we were looking at the instructions for like 10 minutes, and we're just gonna go for it pretty much. So the real question is, how do we know who goes first?
Me?
Rock.
Paper, scissors, rock.
Is that how they do it in
That's
Australia?
Australian.
No.
Yeah, you go
Rock, paper, scissors.
I say
Wait,
Alex.
I beat
Fuck
you.
it, Alex goes first.
Alex goes first.
Go,
Yeah.
Alex.
Ladies first.
I mean, I have the coolest character, so 6, and I got wow.
Wow, what a small number. Okay, so you moved 6 spaces.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Congrats, you can count. I got 5.
Nice.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Hey, he
I
can
did
count
it.
too.
4. Wow, we're all getting like very close numbers.
2.
That's actually really bad.
One.
Congrats. Yeah, you gotta.
2.
Yay! Didn't count. Wow.
Alright, so we have no idea how we're playing, but apparently Jordan said that we're supposed to grab a bunch of cards and have them in our hands.
I'm pretty sure.
Five.
I don't think this makes any sense.
I don't
Yeah.
either.
But Jordan knows best, so we're gonna do what Jordan says.
Wait, I put one down here.
Yes.
Choose whichever one.
Choose your card.
Oh my god. Say cheese and die. Wow, okay.
Wow, that was
Cheese!
I wanna go.
Die.
I wanna go 6. I'm gonna go 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
I'm in the R.L. Stein's house. Wow.
Wow, what does that get you?
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4.
That was sassy. That was sassy. No!
1,
Why is
2,
everyone so
3,
mean?
4, 5, 6. Steal!
Steal.
What does that mean?
If you land on a steal space, pick a player and without looking, steal one of their cards.
So Alex gets to steal one of our cards because she's mean. So Alex, which one do you want?
Wow!
I need a 6.
No.
I don't have 6.
Wait, why do you have 6 cards in your hand? What is going on?
The curse of the mummy's tomb. You're cursed.
Yeah.
Lol. Wait, what
Hate
does
my
that actually
life.
mean though?
Nothing.
I don't understand.
Absolutely nothing. This game kind of sucks.
A little bit.
Now let's get some Monster Man.
Dude, this has nothing. It's got like.
They're all at the end.
Did someone shuffle this? Look at this.
I asked you if you shuffled the angel. Johnny, oh my god, I know.
You know what? I'll keep all of these. You guys get all of these.
No wonder we've been drawing number cards this whole
guys,
time.
Oops, friendly fire. Stay where you are. Ketzel's a 3 of a kind. Now it's your turn. What does this mean?
Oh, I know what it means.
Dude, give it a chance. Come on, man.
I love this show, but this game doesn't make any sense.
Dude.
I don't know what I'm doing.
R.L. Stein would not be pleased right now.
Arlstein, I don't know how to read, okay, man? I never understood your books. I never understood any of this.
Thank you
Don't
for
destroy this like the cat game. Don't break it like the cat
Dude,
game.
who are you, Kyle, right now?
I just don't know how to do this.
Just apologize.
No! Alright guys, well thanks for watching, and if you like the video, hit the like button. Let's try to get this to 17,000 likes. 17,000 likes. And also you can check out all their channels by clicking on their faces. And also Shannon, she's not here. Shannon, get in here.
Hang on, I'm here.
You can click on her face too. All their links will be in the description. And thanks for watching guys. I love y'all. Stay happy, not crap your lives, a bitch, don't quit, and peace out, thug pugs. See you on my escape in a little bit, okay? Peace out, bye.